Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. We are on Cordelion, and we are in the Cadero station, trying to find the forge. But now we gotta get up there. I really don't know how well that works, but there's a lot of bouncy things here. Oh, I gotta get on a wall over there, but if I get on that wall, what does that do for me? There's a wall over here, too. I don't see any tethers. Okay, and I guess we'll just start on the bouncy thing. I don't know where to go. Maybe I'm supposed to go over by those places over there. Let's try that. Let's try that. We'll go that way. Uh-oh. Okay, we're here. And I guess that's the way to go. We follow the wall around. Okay. Ah, seriously? Let's try it again. Okay, we got this one. Grab this stuff. Gotta go up here. Okay, we gotta take this. And where does this take us to? I don't know. I can't see where it takes us to. Okay. Uh-oh. Stay on there. Oh, okay. That seemed to make sense. When you do it, it makes sense. This is probably going to be the last platforming game I ever play, because I suck at it. Oh, get down. What the hell? Why did he stop there?
Where did you come from? Another dimension?
Yeah, very funny. Tell George Bot he better watch his back tomorrow.
The Rubion Forge should be just ahead.
Okay. Hope I didn't miss any Veritarian in another room. Is there any here? There's none here in this room. Let's go back. In case I missed some. Okay, I didn't miss any in this room. Alright, good. Okay, and where are we going? We want to go that way? I don't know. I don't. Alright, let's look at the map, see what it says. I guess, yeah. Out this corridor over here. What's around here? You guys don't mind if I look around, do you? You got any secrets in here? Yeah, I don't see anything in here. So we gotta go out. We gotta go down the hallway here. Okay. Is that Junkbot?
What are you doing here?
That's actually a funny story.
Was I talking to you?
You are talking to me.
We are under lockdown. How did you and your steed get in here?
I am inspecting your facility. And how white it is. And orange. Because I am an interior decorator. First class. And the Emperor wanted this redecoration to be a surprise for you and your team. But now, you ruined it.
I would never do that to the Emperor. Please, come and consider my memory banks deleted.
Nice save, Decorator Kit. What do we do now?
Conversing with the researchers could help decrease suspicion. Or we can head straight to the Forge's controls and make the Dimensionator.
Looks like the Forge's controls are right up on that platform.
Well, we can talk to people, right? That's what it said? It says we can, but... Oh, there's a bot here somewhere. I'm standing, like, right on top of it. Where is it? That's weird. Where the hell is there a bot at? Where's that me? Oh, looks like there's a bot here. Yeah. Where though? Up there? Yeah, there's a little warp thing up there, so how do I get up there to it? Let's see. Some crystals. Let's grab these. So how do I get that thing up there? I can see it, but it's not letting me activate. There we go. Cool.
Nice!
Spybot. Alright, let me see. There was the only one we had, too. There's just one Spybot, right? Alright, let's do Spybot. Where is he? Here he is. Cordelion Station.
They say it takes tremendous pressure to create diamonds. So what better place to set up an experimental forge than the crushing depths of Cordelion's boundless oceans? Cordelion Station is one of the Emperor's most secure facilities, using a classified energy source to power its Rubion forge, which can manipulate the strongest metals while crafting the most delicate circuitry. With a workshop like that, it is no wonder that this facility is the rumored birthplace of all the Emperor's battle mechs, armor, and espresso machines.
Okay. Alright, now, something I wanted to see. We can't go that way. We can go anywhere we want here, can't we? What's down there? Looks like some more stuff, eh?
Is the Emperor not happy with our talent? But he chose it himself.
Alright, so how much ammo do I have for my buzzsaw? Yeah, we got some. Let's put it back on. 'Cause I gotta level that up. What else we got here? Anything? Some stuff over there. Lightning rod ammo. That's good to have. Alright, so we gotta go down the hallway, I guess. That's what we're supposed to do. It did say we have an option to talk to people, but I don't see any prompts to talk to anybody. Right? No prompts to talk to anybody. So, I guess we'll just go... Which way? Here's some ammo. Executor ammo. What was I calling that thing before? I can't remember. I have to look at my videos. I wasn't calling it the Executor. I thought it had a different name. Oh man, don't use it all. I want it. Okay, so we're good. I think we've got everything that we need here.
Ratchet, I think we can head to the forge now and not draw attention. The control is right above that bouncing apparatus.
Got it.
Oh, we gotta go up there. Oh, and there's some raritanium over there. Let's go get that first. Oh, come on, game. The old hanging on thing I'm not good with. I don't know why. That's how I die most of the time. I'm hanging on, but... That time I overshot it, as usual. And you wonder why I don't want to play any more platforming games. Come on, game. Go up. I know it's not that difficult. I just can't do it. Alright. Let's just breathe. Breathe. There we go. Seriously. Why does he let go? I don't understand that. Alright, here we go. I can't... Why can't I make that in one jump? I guess I can, huh? Okay, up. There we go. Alright, let's go over here. There we go. That's all that counts. I got what I wanted. Okay, we got 4 out of that one. That's nice. Alright, so where's our goal? The goal is... Where? I thought the goal was over here. No. But we have a crystal up there. And... I don't know if I need to get that crystal or not. I don't know what that's for. I like to get all the room filled out here so we had no more blank spots. I don't have to wonder what's in that corner later on. Alright, so what are we doing? I thought we had to come in here. We have to go... Oh, we gotta go up there. Damn it, I was already up there. Wasn't I? I was. How did I get up there? Is there a bouncy thing here? Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. Yeah, I was already up here, but I didn't get up here on a bouncy thing. How did I get up here before? Oh, from up there, that's right. Okay, alright, let's do this.
Schematics uploaded.
What do we got? Uh-huh. I see.
What did I see?
Are you winging this?
Come on.
I guess he is.
You ran the forge with auxiliary power only? The main power button was right there!
Ah, just running a stress test. Let me see. Yes, everything is breaking correctly.
Let's get out of here before...
Before it blows.
Get those charlatans!
Greetings, intruders. Let us escort you to the biology wing. You would be perfect for our unedited...
Why did the forge not work?
I guess it wasn't fully powered? But that other button didn't look right.
You said you were not winging this.
I'm not. I'm intuiting it. Security's everywhere. We gotta get out of here.
What about the Dimensionator?
We'll figure something out.
Uh-oh. A lot of ammo. What do I need? Oops. Damn it. Alright, go guys. Alright, let's get some, what do we got here? We have... I need... my zap weapon. Right? Yep, put that over here.
There's nothing in this room. Gotta keep moving.
To where? Where are we going? This way. Come on, guys. Grab some bolts. I guess if I change the look of the bolts, it might be easier to see.
Interior decorators! How could you fall for such a stupid... They didn't even have licenses! I need that...
Is there anything in these things?
That won't be the last of them. We need to find a way to escape.
What if we use Blizon?
Good call. Monster Dimension sounds pretty good right about now.
Get that Lombax!
Which way? I guess we're going the right way. This way? I don't think so. We want to go back through this tunnel. Oh, this tunnel over here. Okay.
Does this count as a break? They only have one.
Yeah, this way. Okay. How's my zapper weapon coming on ammo? We're back. Okay.
Hold this room until backup.
Do I have no more guys?
Blizon! That's our way out!
The intruders!
Wait a minute. I'm supposed to be using this.
All right.
Blizon, how do we get it? How do we get the Blizon? So, my little guys, we have one glove left. We have one glove of doom left, huh? Let's go back with this. Trying to level that up. So how do I open this? I have to open it somehow, right? Oh. Okay, that's what we gotta do. Escape the outer dimension. Alright. The Buzz Blades of Doom. The Buzz Blades. Oh, wait, this is it. Here we go. Buzzsaw. Alright, we gotta level up on that, finally.
That has to be the last of them.
So, let me see, I leveled up the Buzz Blade, right? Level 2, cool. No ammo though, there we go. Let's grab all the stuff in here. Anything in here that I need? Nope, we just need this crystal. Let's grab all, make sure we got all of the friggin' bolts. Here we got a bunch of bolts here. I think we need, what, 20,000 bolts to buy the frosty thing? I can't remember. We're good though. Everybody's hiding. Alright, here we go.
what do we do now? That was the only ruby on Forge that could make the Dimensionator.
There's still one in this dimension, though. Maybe we can get it working again.
So we blasted the other one. Okay, where are we going? Going this way, okay. Anything in this area? Does it appear to be? Oh, wait, yeah, we got a little rift over here, or whatever they called.
For some reason, all these emergency rafts don't make me feel much safer.
Yeah, this doesn't look good. This is... I don't want to... I have to do emergency rafts to get to there, huh? But how do I open the rafts? Do I have to jump on them to open them? Huh. I have to hit it? What if I shoot it? Oh my god. So I have to shoot all the rafts, huh? And they don't stay open the whole time. Okay. Oh, well then there's a little thing over there. Alright, well let's try this first. Let's try this. Yeah, I'm not sure how you do that. I don't know how you do that. I can aim this way. We'll come back to that. That's in this dimension over here. I am not sure how you activate the rafts. There must be a way to activate them because I have to activate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them to get to that island over there. And then I have to swing from the island over to those 4 to get up to there. Am I missing something? Let's try my shock weapon maybe. Or is this the buzzsaw? Now see, I can't aim at it while I'm doing that. Unless I have to hit them all before I jump, but I don't see them all hanging on that long. Okay, yeah, I don't know about that one. That's a little weird. We'll look at that later. We want to go... not that way. What's here? Nothing. Okay, so that's the only thing in here is the little... Ah, we're going this way. I have to remember that that's there. And how's my buzzsaw doing? We need to get this going. We need to level this up a little bit.
Rats! Kitsy! Junkbot! What would it take to get your Ruby on Forge working again?
Well, there is the power issue. And with the power gone, some kind of nasty virus has infected the system. Nothing will work until it is cleared.
I think I have just the friend who can help with that.
Okay, where we gotta go now? Right here? Oh yeah, okay.
All yours, Glitch.
Well, let's see, Kit has never done this before.
Wait, this dimension has viruses too?
Alright, let's see, what do we gotta do?
This is a nuke pulse upgrade!
Nice. Alright, let's see what we gotta do.
They're flying now too? So what? They all get deleted the same way.
Oh, they're shooting at me? Apparently I can't hit them though. And it's chewing up my health. There we go. I don't know where I'm going though, or what I'm doing. This? Do this, I guess, here. I don't know what's going on. I died? I guess I died. Yeah, that didn't work.
Mine now too? So what? They all get deleted the same way.
So I guess going onto that thing didn't work. No, we gotta go somewhere else. This way.
My electro guns can't even scratch them.
Okay, one down. Alright, we have to approach these with caution. There's a health thing right there. Probably shouldn't take that just yet. Where do I have to go? What the hell?
Can my blink inceptors do any better?
Wait a minute. I missed something there, I don't know what. I missed something there. Where are we at? Okay, we got this guy. We already got this guy. Right? We got that guy. Okay. Alright, here comes some other guys.
I am on a roll!
Now we gotta go up here. Okay, that worked. Not really, not yet. I don't know what I'm missing. I'm missing something here. I don't know what, but I am. I'm missing something here. You guys don't bother me. I'm taking my health. Okay. Okay, we don't belong here. Let's go this way. Wait a minute.
Yes! The computer is starting to come back online! Which means that firewall should
Where's the health that I need? There was some health over here, wasn't there? Alright, where's the last guy at? It says there's 3 guys left.
The computer is starting to come back online, which means that firewall should be totally clear now.
Where am I supposed to go? This way? This way, looks like.
You are mine. Oh, too scared of the big bad glitch now? Well, you should be, 'cause I got the... It's a trap!
Oh, I can't go this way? Oh, I can't go this way. Okay, that was a trap.
It's a trap!
I guess I don't run out of ammo. Go this way. Wait a minute. I guess I'm...
You are mine.
Where am I going now? Press X to fire. Oh, pulse charge. Okay, I guess I was missing that. That's how I get rid of all these guys. Pulse charge. Ah! Okay, pulse charge. That's what I missed the last time. I can't. I guess I have to charge it up first. I see, I gotta charge it up first. Okay, we're learning. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do here. I don't know if I'm supposed to continue doing this or what. So, but I have to go that way. There must be a way to go there somewhere. it up for some reason. I don't know why yet, but... This thing. I gotta get this thing here.
We'll see you again soon, Glitch.
Okay.
Continues to hold.
So, that was an interesting learning experience.
Is that the virus? Someone has to stop them before they evolve even more. But that's not a problem here. The Rubion Forge has a clean bill of health now, so you can take over, Ratchet.
Okay.
I knew you could do it, Glitch. Thank you.
Great work, Ratchet. You are all clear to power up the forge.
Ratchu.
How do we do that?
By finding the power source. Last I saw it was down the stairs and past the pressure door. But FYI, it is a skosh spooky down there.
Alright. So, we'll just, that was an interesting video. We'll call it a video here, and we'll start a new video while we power up the forge. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.